Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to use the Microsoft Word editor to polish your documents and write more effectively. Start by going to the Microsoft 365 online website and log in. Once logged in, start a new document or open an existing one from OneDrive or any connected cloud storage. Next, go to the Home tab on the Word toolbar and locate the Editor tool. This feature checks your document for spelling, grammar, readability, and style issues. The editor also provides suggestions for clarity, conciseness, and vocabulary improvements. Take time to review each suggestion and apply the corrections where needed. Click on any highlighted issue to see more details and understand why the change is recommended. And that's it. Using the Word editor from the Home tab helps you create professional, polished documents that communicate your ideas clearly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.